power of Christ, the truth, and face reality, or we can live in a lie and go straight down into hell. I was talking to a guy a few days ago, or last week or something, and I asked him, I said, how do you know you're saved? Because we can have assurance of our salvation. You can know that you're saved. It's kind of like this. I think Spurgeon said this. If I had a pig in the back of the room there, and I had a garbage can full of garbage here, and a filet mignon from a 5-star restaurant over here, that pig is going to go straight for the garbage. Right? And if I could snap my finger and turn that pig into a man, then that pig would pull his head out of the garbage, look at me in shame, and desire the 5-star filet mignon. And so you can know that you're saved. When a person's saved and truly repentant and believed unto salvation, the person can't stand sin, looks at sin differently. Looks at sin like God looks at it, because he has that new nature inside of him, born again from on high by the will of God, and now he doesn't like sin. He hates the fact what he used to like, he doesn't like anymore. What he used to love, he doesn't love anymore. And when I say he, it's a generic term, and it means all of mankind. And so we can know that we're saved. The pastor's job, my job isn't to walk you down some Romans road and then assure you of your salvation. No, your job is to tell me I'm saved. I can't. There's no altar worker has a right to walk anybody down what we call the Romans road and then assure people of their salvation. We do damage to people. Because what do you hear? I heard it when I was a kid. Someone will say, well, I got saved like that. No, like Paul Washer says, you got saved in spite of that. I got saved in spite of that. Because what I heard as a kid was, I don't need to read this Bible. Chunk that thing off the side. I'm saved. But now if you were to ask me what I'm saved from, I couldn't have told you. I don't know. You know, there might be an issue there. You know, in Christianity, it's not about following a bunch of rules. We want to be obedient. It's kind of like this. If I preach a legalism, follow all these rules and shove the law down your throat, which we want to know the law, we want to delight in the law. I love the law of God. It tells me how I can please the Lord, and that's why I love it. But with legalism, it's like if you take a wolf and you put it in a cage, and then you got a bunch of sheep around, and